Is stress taking over your life? Well, it's your nervous system trying to protect you. I'm a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of women 40 and over to go from irritability, overwhelm, sleepless nights to being calm, clear, and focused. And in this video, I'd like to explain to you what happens when your system is stressed out. And I'd like to guide you through a meditation that you can use at any time the overwhelm becomes too much. When your mind perceives danger, what happens is that it sends out signals to either fight, flight, or freeze. And it also sends out adrenaline and cortisol, and that's what makes it so hard to sleep, to think, and to relax. But the thing is, you don't need hours of meditation in order to overcome the stress. All you have to do is come back to the present moment. If you think of it this way, presence equals calmness. And think of one thing that you've been worrying about today. Write it down in the comments. And before we get started with the guided meditation, I'd like to offer you a free gift, my free Calm in the Moment kit. It has all the tools that you need to overcome stress all day long. It has a 3-minute meditation that you can use early in the morning to set yourself up for a peaceful day, and you can use it last thing at night so that you can get some wonderful sleep. It has a 1-minute reset that you can use all throughout the day whenever the stress becomes a little bit too much for you. And then it has 15 journal prompts that you can use whenever you have time to sit down and just reflect on where you're going in life. If you'd like access to that, just comment calm below the video here, and I'll send you the link. So we are going to be doing a closed eye meditation. So please don't do this if you are driving or operating machinery or even cooking. Wait until later to do it. And we're also going to be doing nose breathing, breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. That is what leads you to being the most calm. So if you are in a place where you can relax, you don't have to have your eyes open, just look at a point above you. Take a deep breath in, and as you close your eyes, breathe out and visualize the number 3 times. You should be feeling that your body's becoming more relaxed. Just relax your shoulders and your neck, any tension from your forehead or around your jaws. And just feel waves of relaxation going from the top of your head to the soles of your feet. And then keeping your eyes closed, breathe in. And as you exhale, visualize the number 2 3 times. And now you should be feeling that your mind is becoming more calm. The thoughts are either slowing down or going away altogether. And then one more time, breathe in. And as you breathe out, visualize the number 1 3 times. Now you should be able to feel that calmness, that presence that's within you. This is your true self, not the worry, not the stress that you've been operating under. This is your true self. And the more times you do a meditation like this, the easier it's going to be to access this. So think of that worry that I asked you to think about a couple of minutes ago. And think about how it makes you feel. Think about maybe any guilt that you feel that you're feeling the stress, this worry, that you're bringing it upon yourself. And imagine that there is a navy blue, either a balloon or a bubble, however you imagine it. Maybe you see it, maybe you just feel it, maybe you hear it come into view. And imagine it sits right in front of you, and French doors to it open up. And into this bubble or this balloon, you can put the worry that you've been thinking about all day long. You can put in the feelings of how it makes you feel, any guilt that you feel, any wanting to push it away, any just wanting to dissolve it. Just put any of those feelings into this balloon or this bubble. And then just close the doors to it and just send it off. You can send it off with a kiss. And it's going to go into the universe for God or the universe or spirit to take care of, to transmute, leaving you free of it. And this navy blue color is not just something you see with your eyes. It is actually a quantum color. And it carries the frequency of empowerment. Just think of the navy blue business suit. That's why it's so popular, because it gives empowerment to the person who's wearing it, and it empowers everybody who's around them when they're wearing that. And empowerment brings power within you. So you can have this, you can wear it. It's the color that's in my scarf. You can wear it, have it in your wardrobe. You can have it in your decor. You can have it in your gear, your sport gear, or your coffee cup, or your journal cover. Whenever you see it, then you will be reminded to empower yourself. Bring that power within you so that you can do whatever it is that you set your mind to do. So we're going to close the meditation now. Before we do that, remember, you can do this meditation at any time the stress level gets too high. It's very short. You can shorten it if you need to. Just take a few deep breaths if you need to. But taking that deep breath will help you to just be more present. And remember, presence is what offsets the stress. So we'll close the meditation now. Just rub the palms of your hands together. Put them over your eyes. Open up your eyes into your hands. And then take your hands away. It's just a way to get grounded after you've had a deep meditation. You can look around to get further grounded. Take a sip of water if you have that nearby. And if you're feeling more calm and clear right now, and I think you probably are, please like this video. It'll let YouTube know that it should show it to more women who need to lower their stress level and become more empowered. If you'd like access to the Calm in the Moment kit, just comment calm below the video here and I'll send you the link. And if you'd like to go a little bit further with reaching inner peace, I created another video that you can take a look at. Create Inner Peace, and you can find it right here.